Since John has CAD documents checked out in the Recoil 400 workspace, we access that workspace to test our checked out CAD docs view. We do not need to set the Recoil 400 workspace as the active workspace, since we do not plan to create or open any designs. Change to the CAD Documents Only table view. We access this by using the Pick a View drop-down menu. Observe the general status of the CAD documents, and notice that both checked out and non-checked out CAD documents are being displayed. To modify this table view so that only the checked out CAD documents are displayed, first we must access the Customize View List Workspace Listing window, which enables us to manage and create table views. We want to modify the table view so that it displays only checked out CAD documents. In the Set Name step of the New View wizard, we can modify the name for our view. We maintain the selection to display the view in the View list. In the Choose Object Types step window, we select which object types the view manages. We maintain the table view to only display the CAD document object types. In the Set Filters step window, we specify the rules that govern which items are displayed in table rows. The Criteria drop-down list is populated with attributes specific to the CAD document types. We filter our view by selecting the General Status criterion from the list and adding it to the Filter Criteria table. Now that the General Status criterion is added to the table, we can define an operator and a value. We maintain the selection of equal to for operator. We observe the options available to us for value. Notice there are several status selections. The most appropriate choice is checked out by you. We maintain the displayed columns and the sorting that had previously been established. Therefore, we are finished with our modifications to this table view. Our new view appears in the Customize View List Workspace Listing window, but it is not active. Microsoft Internet Explorer informs us that we need to refresh the Workspace page. Observe that only the checked out CAD documents appear in the Object List table, that our columns appear in the proper order, and that the objects appear to be sorted first by type, then by number. We change our view back to the default view of All. This completes the exercise.